Wow, 1.99-inch display on a watch. That's amazing. It's slim, it's light and very comfortable to wear. The speaker on this watch is amazing for Bluetooth calling. Hi there, here is the Firebolt Terminator. It comes with a huge 1.99-inch display and it's priced at just $2,299. Well, actually the introductory launch price was $1,999. But I'm out of station, there was a delay to receive this watch, hence the delay to upload this video. My apologies. Anyway, I think even for $2,299, it seems very exciting. You get a huge display, you get Bluetooth calling, 120 plus sports modes, health monitoring sensors, games and more. So let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. By the way, we'll be announcing the 3 Firebolt Cobra giveaway winners towards the end, so make sure you watch this full video. You could be the winner as well. So let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Firebolt Terminator. Bluetooth calling, huge screen, towards the back some key features, MRP of $18,999. Some more features mentioned here. Let's quickly open it up. Inside the box you have the watch itself, lots of coupons from Book My Show, Gaana, and here is the user manual. And finally the Pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. First we'll get rid of the screen protector on the top. There you go, we get a square dial and the frame flat design, grey finish. You have a single button on the other side, soft silicone straps, really good quality, Firebolt branding on the buckle. If you look at the back is made of plastic and houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals up here. By the way, there's also a protection film here, so make sure you get rid of this or remove this so that you can get more accurate readings. And now if you look closely here, you can see the speakers really big, and on this side is the microphone, both of which are going to help you for phone calls and voice assistant. Now these straps also can be replaced with third-party bands. Simply pull the hook mechanism to release. Very, very convenient. The watch comes with IP68 rating, so you can wear it at the gym, in the rain, in fact even for a swim, as the watch comes with a huge collection of water sports tracking. Check out the list. Coming to the main deal, the display. Now as you press this button on the side, the display will wake up, press it again, it will turn off. Now that's a huge 1.99-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 283 pixels. Now as you can see, the bezels are really slim, especially on the sides and on the top. The lower bezel though is a little noticeable, but still it completely blends in with the watch. Looks so beautiful. I'll just change to another watch face which will give you a better idea of the bezels. There you go. Again, going almost edge to edge, looks amazing. However, I'd like to admit this one is my favorite and looks perfect on this watch. It comes with 500 nits of peak brightness. We briefly tested it outdoors and as you can see, looks really nice and the display is completely viewable. The interface too is really snappy and responsive, and I think Firebolt has totally nailed it when it comes to the interface. A quick look, swipe right to access the activity, then you have phone calling, beats per minute, SpO2, sleep tracking, music player, breathe app, and add components. You can add more things here, very convenient. Swipe from the top to access the quick toggles, do not disturb, adjust the brightness from here. Then you have timer, camera shutter, use the display as a torch, and of course the settings, display settings, brightness, auto lock time, watch faces, menu view, all those can be changed from here. Do not disturb, low power mode, phone calling can be enabled or disabled from here just in case you're in a meeting. You can turn it off from here, very convenient. Phone reset, ring and vibration, you can choose ring and vibration or just vibration. Then in systems, restart, power off, reset, you can access the menu, sports, phone calling, sleep tracking, heart rate, SpO2, exercise, weather, messages, AI voice assistant, shutter, timer, breathe app, alarms. Of course, you can't set alarms from here, you can set it only from your phone app. From here you can turn it on and off. Music player, stopwatch, flashlight, games, actually there are 3 games, 2048, Thunder Battle, Young Bird, all fun games, but remember this will drain the battery life a lot quicker, so keep that in mind. So overall, really fun and easy to use interface. Let's quickly check out phone calling. Now if you want to make phone calls from your watch, you simply go to the phone calling app, you'll see recent call, dial pad and contacts. We're going into dial pad and we're randomly dialing a number. There you can see the phone call is being made. The audio you're hearing is right now from the watch speaker. It's really loud and clear. You can also end the call directly from the watch itself. Similarly, you can also answer incoming calls in your watch. There'll be a ringtone on the watch speaker. You can see the caller's name. You can answer the call, reject the call. Now, if you answer the call, you can talk directly using your smartwatch, which is really convenient. You can mute the microphone. You can transfer this call to the phone, as well as control the volume from here of the speaker of the watch. Very, very convenient. Talking about the phone calling experience. Well, the speaker gets loud. In fact, loud enough even to be used outdoors. Conversations went through very smoothly. There was no echo, there was no disturbance. So I can definitely recommend this watch for phone calling. I would also like to take a minute and talk about its fit and comfort. Firstly, it's really light and you can barely feel that you're wearing a smartwatch. I'm sure you can even wear it to bed to track your sleep. Looks great on the wrist. Coming to health tracking. Well, first we check the heart rate sensor and then SpO2, and we got the readings for both. Now always remember, these are just smartwatches, so use the readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. So the watch comes with over 120 plus workout modes. To access it, go to the menu, go to exercise. Here you'll see walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf. There's a huge list. When you come at the bottom, you click the plus sign. Here you can see popular sports, water sports, and there's again a huge collection of water sports, including open water swimming. Then you have outdoor activities, training, dance, combat sports, then your winter sports, recreational sports, other sports. Huge collection of workouts is available here, which is great. The Firebolt Terminator's battery should typically last you 5 to 6 days, but that's if you don't use phone calling. With phone calling, it should last you a maximum of 1 to 2 days. Let's have a quick look at the Dafit Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your workout and health related data. You have the steps taken, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, outdoor running. In the second option, you can see the watch is paired, the battery percentage. You can see all the watch faces that come pre-installed. Then here's the watch face gallery. And here you're going to find a huge collection. Check that out. Analog, digital. There's lots more that you can download directly from here. Further, you can come into edit here and choose a custom watch face from your phone gallery. And there you go, custom watch face is set. Further down, you come into notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then you can set alarms from here, camera shutter, favorite contacts. In others, you can find device, time format can be changed. Then you can change continuous heart rate detection, auto lock time, quick view, drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, psychological cycle reminder, which is menstrual cycle reminder for women. Then further, my favorite in this option is you can share data with Google Fit, and that's a very handy feature. So overall, I can say that the Dafit Companion app is really nice, easy to use and very well optimized. Alright, so even for $2,299, the Firebolt Terminator is a pretty good deal. Well, I can't wait to see AMOLED displays of this size on a watch, but then expect those to be pricier. The Firebolt Terminator is actually already on sale on Flipkart in multiple colors. I'll leave the links for all the color variants below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check those out. I know, you all are waiting for the Firebolt Cobra results, so here you go. But remember, if you don't win, don't get disheartened. Surely there are going to be more chances in the future. Alright, the first winner is Khaja Moinuddin. He wins the black color Cobra. Second is Harpreet Bindra, who wins the green color Cobra. And third and the final one is Akash Sharma. He wins the camo green. Congratulations to everyone. I'll also link their Twitter handles in the description. Kindly DM me your addresses so the units can be dispatched. I hope this video was fun. More giveaway videos coming soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.